Doctors and scientists remain to be perplexed by a new virus that continues to spread rapidly across the UK. Reported cases so far have identified teenagers as the sole victims.
Pass the salt, please.
Who suffer from a severe allergic reaction to skin-to-skin contact, resulting in a rash which appears to be highly contagious and in some cases fatal.
Oh, but you weren't wearing your gloves, honey.
Post-mortem results are currently being awaited on the 12 known fatalities so far, but doctors caution the public to stay away from crowded spaces and to practice good hand hygiene, as the cause of the outbreak has not yet been identified. The government's emergency committee, COBRA, putting in place a response to the outbreak reaching pandemic levels.
Mommy, look at me!
Come on. Hurry up. Come on, we need to go. You shouldn't be here.